Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, security situation report at Okeafa Jakande Gate Ejigbo. At about 8 a.m. today, an Hausa motorcycle rider knocked down someone with his Okada, and instantly the person died on the spot. This has caused breakdown of law and order at Okeafa, as boys are now burning their motorcycle. So guys, please, if you are around that place, please stay safe and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.